Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Bridge Race game on your PC. So let's get started right away. In order to install any smartphone game on your device, you will need to first install an Android emulator on your PC. So in order to do this, first of all open up your web browser and then type in bluestacks.com in the address bar and press enter. Now this is one of various Android emulators available, so make sure you choose any one that works just fine with your system. Now from the website you will be able to find the download button, which you can click on to start the download for the installer. Once the download is complete, just open up the installer and click through the next buttons, and this will install the Android emulator on your system. Once it is installed, simply open it up and then you will gain access to your Android home screen. Now from the home screen, just open up the Google Play Store and then log into your Google account for the first time. Then simply tap on the search box and then type in Bridge Race and start the search. Once you find the Bridge Race game, tap on it and you will see the install button. Simply tap on install and this will begin the download and installation of the Bridge Race game on your PC. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and then when you see the play button, you can simply tap on it to open it up, and then you can proceed with playing the game on your PC as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Bridge Race game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.